days I am on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turned to a savage, pocket got fatter, she call me daddy.
Alright y'all, I'm back with another video showing y'all how to fix a bad hair day. You know, all you gotta do is hop in the shower and do these styles and you're gonna be good for the rest of the day. So yes ma'am, we don't have time to be stressing over a bad hair day, so girl, let me show you my first style girl. The first thing I do is I get my comb and I part my hair down the middle like that. Once my hair was nice and neat, I added some Aussie moist conditioner to both sides. Then boom, I just braided my hair down. Simple, easy, and cute. Baby, you better let them know. You better let them know some more. Next style, all I did was flat twist my hair all the way down until I reached the bottom. Honestly, this was my favorite style out of the whole video, honestly. The third style, this is probably the one I wear the most. All it is, you know, the simple half up, half down, have my hair out my face look. You know, I think it's very cute. I would sleep on it for a long time, but baby, I just woke it up. I did. Also, for this whole video, the only product that I used was Aussie Moist Conditioner. I didn't use no gel, no nothing, just one product and some oil. For my next style, all I did was a nice cute ponytails with some cute little edges. Very basic, but still cute at the same time. Don't get it twisted. For my last style, all I did was a messy bun, and basically, yeah, you know, it's just a messy bun, you know, just do how you do, you know, there's nothing to it really.